Hello, future toppers. Let's make maths simple, intuitive, and fun together. So, we are back with wholesome new question which says let A equals to this, B equals to this. Great. So, we got our two sets. Let R be the relationship defined on A cross B, great, such that R. Okay, so first let's write down this thing. So, it is A1, B1, comma, A2, B2 such that a1 smaller than equal to b2 and b1 smaller than equal to a2. Great. Then the number of elements. Great, great, great. So a1 is connected with, so this one is connected with b2. Okay, the b2 has to be bigger than or equal to a1. Then b1 is smaller than equal to a2. b1 is, this time this thing has to be bigger. Okay, very good. So look at this. A1 connected with B2, B1 connected with A2. So look at this part. First I will focus on, and here you have to apply the concept of principle of multiplication, permutation, combination little bit. Okay. So required number. So I am focused on A1 smaller than equal to B2. Suppose that A1 is means A1 means what? Element from A. Suppose I am considering 1. So I can consider 2, 1 with 2, correct? I'll circle it. So 1 with 2, then 1 with 4, then 1 with 5, and 1 with 8, and 1 with 10. Okay, so 1 will be connected with this many things. So then 3 will be connected with 4, 3 will be connected with 5, 3 will be connected with 8, 3 will be connected with 10. So done with 3. Now 4. 4 will be connected with 4 because we have to talk to greater than or equal to. So that is okay. Then we have 4 with 5, 4 with 8, 4 with 10. Okay, na? 4 is done. Now 6. 6 will be connected with 8. 6 will be connected with 10. Okay, 9 will, then we have 6 is done. Now we have 9. 9 will be connected with 10. So this many is for A1 smaller than equal to B2. So we got 5, 10, 15 and 1, 16. So 16. Is your task completed? No, you have to talk to the next B1 smaller than equal to A2 also. So task is, till the time your task is not completed, you have to keep on multiplying. Now second case, B1 is smaller than equal to A2. So B1 means we have to consider element from B. So suppose I am considering 2. So 2 will be connected with 3, then 2 with 4, then 2 with 6, then 2 with 9. Correct? 2 is done. Now we will go with 4. So 4 will be connected with 4 because equality is also okay. Okay, and then the first element is B1. Correct na? Just be sure. So 4 will be connected with 6. 4 will be connected with 9. So 4 is okay. Now we will take 5. So 5 will be connected with 6. 5 will be connected with 9. So done with 5. Then we have 8. 8 will be connected with 9. Done. And 10, 10 with nothing. Done. So you can go with this many choices for B1 smaller than equal to A2. So it is 4, 7, 10. So for second case you have 10 choices. Is your task completed? Yes. Hence, now you can simplify things. So it is 160. Therefore, the required number is 160. I hope the idea is clear and you guys can handle similar situations. So see you guys in the next session of MathFlix.